As a professional food service consultant, with over 25 years hospitality experience throughout Asia and the United Kingdom, Chef Liam McLaughlin works closely with the world's leading manufacturers, distributors, QSRs, hotels, and major accounts, driving improved outcomes for food service clients and customers. Liam has worked and lived throughout Southeast Asia, focusing on the ever-expanding bakery industry and working with high-quality Australian manufactured ingredients in commercial kitchens throughout these regions.
Hi there, today I'd like to show you how to get the most from a healthy, cost-efficient fat alternative that delivers great results in all your favourite dishes. Nuttelex is a gluten-free fat ingredient made from vegetable oil that can be expertly used in a wide variety of recipes, like this delicious fruit flan. Using the same ingredients you'd normally use to make a great short crust pastry, Nuttelex can be used in place of butter or margarine. It has a great workability and creams so easily, and is a super healthy option with 60% less saturated fat than butter. It also works superbly well when creating cookie dough. This natural fat gives a wonderful mouthfeel and texture to your cookies, and gives delicious results when making light, moist sponge. It's even great when used to make soft, creamy frosting. The consistency is excellent and pipes brilliantly. And as you can see, my short crust pastry dough is super easy to work with and creates a light, crumbly pastry every time. Nuttelex Bakers Blend works just as well when increasing the volume to meet the needs of every kitchen. And once you leave the pastry to completely cool, it'll be firm enough to fill with your favourite filling. Nuttelex Bakers Blend isn't only for sweet dishes. This super versatile ingredient works brilliantly across a whole range of savoury dishes, like fresh garlic focaccia or delicious fresh green vegetables, sautéed to perfection. As you've seen, Nuttelex Bakers Blend is a great alternative to butter or margarine. It's gluten-free and contains no allergens like nuts, lactose or soy. It's an all-natural, plant-based ingredient with no artificial colours or flavours, and it's vegan certified. And most importantly, it performs brilliantly in a whole range of commercial recipes, both sweet and savoury. Nuttelex Bakers Blend is a highly versatile and cost-effective food service ingredient that delivers superb results in commercial kitchens all across Asia. But don't take my word for it, try it yourself.